Hey guys, Heather at Reflex Tuning in Hooksett, New Hampshire. Today I want to show you how to get a free Carfax service report. First, we can go to Carfax.com, or I'm going to show you how to get there through my website. Go to reflextuning.com. At the top, under the service section, you can click the free Carfax. You can scroll down, click the Carfax.com link, which just goes to our Carfax with great reviews, of course. You click on car maintenance and then track your car's maintenance. From here, we're going to create a new account. You type in your email address and you're going to create a password. I use this a lot for, new customers or customers looking to purchase a vehicle. It's a free way just to get, service records, not accident history that, costs extra. But it's a great way to see, where the car has been and how well it's been taken care of. So here we can put the VIN in, or you can also put a license plate in. This is just an old customer's car that we serviced that he just ended up selling. It's in Montana now. He just sold it a couple weeks ago. I'm just going to add the zip code here. Recent prompt, you just want to click through these. Then you click the service history and you'll have to verify your email address. So you open up your email address or your email. Click confirm email. And then you can just close out of that browser and go back to My Carfax and you can click the service history, and here you'll see everything that's ever been reported. This vehicle, obviously, we serviced for a very long time. It was very well taken care of. One big red flag is, if you're looking at a used car, is sometimes there's not a whole lot of history. So it really is a great tool. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check in the future.